Magandang hapon po ng Friday, November 3, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, November 3, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 3, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, November 3, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 98 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 97 million pesos for November 3, 2023 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 3, 2023 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.